Hey guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make make.com AI proposal automation. It's pretty simple, but it's very effective. So we are starting off with our Google Sheet. So this Google Sheet, it just watches the changes on my Google Sheet. So this is the Google Sheet where it watches the changes which are coming. If I move it away and displays here. Okay, so this is a CRM which I've created on my Google Sheet. If you guys can have a look here, yep. This is the project, this is the client name, this is the stage. And how it works is, whenever I click on drop down and I select the proposal sent, it automatically generates a proposal. And you'd say how? And the proposal link is passed in here. This is the place the proposal link will be coming in magically. So you say how? Okay, let's tell you how. So after this is watching, let's go step by step. So after watching is dot form. Dot form is like a form builder, so it's just watching for my form submissions. That is, I have just selected the form which I have made for this, and this is a form which I'll show you in a sec. Here's a form. This is the internal form for proposal. So in that form, like after discovery call, what I do with this, I put in the values, I put in the answers that I got from the call, so I can send a proposal out using AI, and that saves me a lot of time and a lot of people in the market. Yeah. So I put in what is the client name, Wajad Mustafa Dominance, the company is this, give me one sentence description of the company. Okay, this is the one sentence description. What the problem and issue are they facing? This is the problem and issue which I have put in here. Okay, what is the proposed solution that you have proposed to them? The form is asking. So yeah, this is the proposed solution. Yeah, AI automation workflows for the CRM, project management, client follow-ups, content generation and management. Okay. Then it asks me what are the platform services that I'll use in developing. This is kind of important in my noting. And so what platform should I have in ready-made so I can start the project? Make.com, OpenAI, Google Sheet, table. Okay, so what things you need from the client? These are the requirements actually. What I need to tell the client, you need to provide this actually in order to move forward. So initial deposit, access to OpenAI API, then access to Google Sheet and Make.com big plan. And then somebody clicks on submit this place. Then what happens? Then it just says a thank you. And what happens actually is we have this submission now. We have the submission in our chart form. And if you see here, there's a filter, and the name is match name. And the filter works somewhere like, so the row value B, if you click on our Google Sheet and see the value, the B column is the name column, which means I'm telling it the name should be equal to the case insensitive, equal to the answers, get, this is the array actually, so I have used a get, and the 2 means the second index number. So actually just this means the answer of the question, which is the client name. I just showed you the question. What is the client name? This, the answer to the question is 2 in index terms. So that is which I selected. So the name should be matching. It means name matching. The person who has filled in the forms is the same person that we have selected in our CRM. And then this way we can continue forward. And this is an array aggregator. What it does, it just have like we can have 12 and 15 and lots submissions. And when it matches, it just sends the specific one forward. That is it aggregates. And that information is sent to OpenAI, and I'll show you how. So we just set up OpenAI GPT 3.4 model up, and nothing so fancy here, just a model we are training here. So we gave it role for system, and we tell him the prompt, you're an AI assistant who's designed to write proposals and various functionalities, refining content and all those things. And then we give it the message as a user. So what the user will be telling it. We fill in all the variables which we get from the array aggregator, that are client name, client company, and project problem and project proposed solution, and all those things are fed in this place. And that's all for the ChatGPT model. So what now we are doing after the ChatGPT module, we are going to have a Google Doc, and the Google Doc which I have made is actually a template. So this template, if you see here, is a proposal for clients. This is just a template. So what I have done, I have made the variables, like I have done double curly braces, and I have put in the name AI proposal. This will be identified in the make.com scenario, and they will be given that we can pass something in. So this is actually, I'll just show you how it works. So AI proposal, and then I have the client name, signature, suppose Wajad Mustafa, signature, and developer signature, and they can put their signature in this place. Okay, I'm gonna show you back to Google Doc. In Google Doc, I selected the module, which is the module is just, I'm just gonna go to Google Doc. This is the module which I'm showing you. The module is select the template. If you click on template, this is create a document from a template. That is the module which I've used here. And when I click here, you will find you will have to have your drive and everything that, and you can just select the document ID, the document I showed you just now, and then you can put in the values. So it's now recognizing the values which you have put here. This values, this the client name and this one. This is actually getting recognized by make.com, and now they are giving us the ability to put something inside this. So the AI proposal I put in the message of ChatGPT, and client name I just put in arrayed it in the client name from the aggregator, and that's all. And the title I just put in the client name again. That's good. And after that we update this with the sheet. So what happens in here is so we just select our spreadsheet, and then we go and choose a row number, and row number is like, if I click on this, you would see here the row start and row end is 4. So like in the CRM we are updating this row, that is 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4, whatever. The row would be same, the start row and the end row. So we have chose a start row. That's simple, and that's all, I think. Proposal link, and we update what? We update the column value, which is proposal link, with the proposal link which is here. Here is the web view link. The web view link we have added here, and just okay. So that's all that. And when we click and when we run this automation, let's click on OK, and let's say I just go here and I delete this. I just cut it off, and I say again, I change it, and when I click on proposal sent, now you will see the real magic happening in real time. And just a second, and this will be giving us a link to the proposal which is generated by our AI assistant. It's coming. I'm waiting for it. Don't disappoint me, huh? Okay guys, it's here, and it also has a client name. Let's click it and let's see what happens. Oh, boom. So we have a proposal for Dominance 99 AI, the company name, project overview, project objective, scope of work. This includes the conduct skills, okay, design, development, testing, validation, deployment, training, the timeline, requests for client access to data, stakeholder engagement, technique, infrastructure, confidentiality, everything that we trained our chatbot, our AI assistant on, and how we told it, how we prompted it, is exactly how we get it. So this is it. If you see it, this is now going to run, and whenever I go in my CRM and whenever I have a call, I fill in my form, and then I click on just proposal sent, and it will generate a proposal exactly curated for the client which I have. That's all in this video. I hope you like this video, and if you like this, let me know in the comment section, and I will be generating more videos and posters like this. And see you in the next video. Have a good one. Bye bye.